Hi, welcome to Vision Classes. Today we have to discuss one of the interesting but sad story about the Cambridge exams are cancelled in the Middle Eastern countries due to Middle Eastern crisis. So here we have the prepared since last 2 years, right, for IGCSE or A level. So one fine day, one morning, you got the notice that the exams are cancelled because of crisis. Fine. So it's a reality that the exams are cancelled, and we will discuss how it is impacting the student and what are the alternatives. So three world's the biggest exam board, Cambridge International, Pearson, and the Oxford AQA, actually sent the notice to the students that the exams has been cancelled because of Middle Eastern countries. So Iran led the reasons for these things are known, actually because of Iran and US led the Gulf War, right? International school basically switched to online. Then Cambridge extended coursework deadline by 10 more days on May 11. Okay, so later then IB, CBSE also cancelled their exams in UAE. Pearson, Cambridge, Oxford, AQA confirmed the cancellations. As these are the timeline that took place. Okay, so which are the countries basically affected? UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Lebanon. These are the countries affected most, and they cancelled the event. All right, because of war situation. Okay, then nextly the exams running normally in Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Jordan, Oman, and rest of the countries such as Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka. Okay, and the Southeast Asian countries as well, and rest of the world. Okay, so these are the means root cause and all the Iran led, US led, Israel led war. Okay, because of many the internal politics and such, so on and so forth. I will not go into that because that's too complicated. So you might learn in the international affair and like that. Okay, so basically, as I said, the UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Lebanon, these countries, they have the Pearson, AQA, Cambridge, all boards have been cancelled, and rest of the world actually going as it is fine. Then now, this is important thing, portfolio building. So the countries in which it is actually cancelled, the school asked or board have been asked to the school that you have to build the portfolio for the each and every other student. So substantial, what's a portfolio building? It's the school have to give the substantial piece of evidences for the each and every other student representing at least 1 hour of student effort. Okay, means kind of mock test, oral, practical. Fine, so these exams are actually going on even online as well. So it's basically student have to write the paper, submit to the school. Okay, so head of the center signed the declaration confirming the work is genuine, and the student has produced these things and submitted to the Cambridge board by 12 June 2026. All evidences must be uploaded through the Cambridge student submission portal, and the external marking Cambridge examiner mark the against standard grade criteria, same standard as a written paper. Okay, and then later on the board will issue the grade. Okay, so here will student lose the year? No, actually the portfolio building is going on only because student will not be affected for and all. Okay, so are grades valid for the universities? Yes, of course. Okay, all major board have confirmed that certificate will be recognized around the globe, not in those countries on the globe. Are these makeup exams? No. Okay, so makeup exams are planned. Portfolio replaces the written paper entirely. Okay, that's the main motive for to build the portfolio. Who makes this portfolio? External Cambridge, Pearson, Oxford AQA examiners, not a teacher. Then what if student has bunked the unit? The results automatically carried forward. Actually, that's what happens. Fine. Okay, so is this a fair? I would say even it's fair because there is no pressure of timed exam condition graded based collected best work. Then basically even the students are writing the mocks and all, right? So they are still writing from their phone. Fine, I don't know how much it is valid, but still we have to consider at this particular time they are valid. Fine, it's kind of corona kind of situation in the Middle Eastern countries. All right, so there is a large scale impact in the Middle Eastern countries. More than 800 schools are affected, 120 schools only alone in UAE itself. So 5 exam boards are there, 3 UK board exams cancelled. So basically, even though those are affected, my point will be simple and straightforward. Student in the Middle East have to prepare little extra, give the exam fine, and fetch good marks in mocks so that you will get the good grades as well, fine. And I hope and I pray that all the things happening in Middle East countries will stop and student will enjoy their school life, exam life, fine. So completely normalize all those things. And that's it. Best wishes for your exam.